Hello, my name is Everett.
My name is Charlie.
My name is Anderson.
My name is Jason.
My name is Ryan.
My name is Braylee. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, good luck to our members of the Girls on the Run Club. Tomorrow is their 5K run. Third grade has a field trip to the Morgan County History Museum on Monday, May 11th. On May 13th and 14th, members of our MHS orchestra will be visiting first and third grade classrooms for violin show and tell. They will hand out summer camp flyers as well as they talk about their new fall program, which will take place at Bell next school year in the evening. On Saturday, May 16th, Google Family STEM Day is taking place here at Brooklyn STEM Academy. Any of the 4th and 6th graders are welcome to register. We hope to see you there. Pre-K had baby chicks hatched this week. Take a look.
Kindergarten loves their ABC countdown. Some of their favorite days with K for kites, E for experiment, C for chalk, and L for Lego. Check out some of their activities so far.
After spending lots of time this year studying animals, their habitats, and adaptations, first grade took their annual field trip to the Indianapolis Zoo. They were able to observe animals from various habitats such as the African savanna, deciduous forest, desert, and oceans.
Second grade took a field trip to Dave & Buster's this week. They went into their health learning lab and learned about how the games they played affected different systems in their bodies. After spending time in the lab, they were able to see just how those games affected their bodies with some unlimited game time.
The third graders started the Science of Flight unit. They are learning about balanced and unbalanced forces. They made a teeter-totter out of a ruler and binder clips. They added weight to the teeter-totter to explore the cause of motion and stability. The third graders also finished up their bodies unit. The MSD of Martinsville nurses came in and did some fantastic lessons with them. The students got to touch a real cow heart, look at broken bones on an x-ray, make fudge to explain the digestive system, and put together the major organs in our body. They all had an amazing time thanks to all of our nurses.
The 4th graders went on a field trip to Bell. We also explored 2 structures with an investigation involving carrots. Finally, we got to finish the science project that we started with Mrs. Gooden a few weeks ago. We watered different plants with different types of water, bottled, fish, and sparkling water. Most of us had the hypothesis that fish water would grow the plants better. We realized although the plants were larger with the sparkling water, the plants that were watered with the fish water had darker leaves. Miss Myers' class will plant some of the plants in the garden soon. So stop by if you want and see the experiment if you want.
We have a new slant board and occupational therapy for writing and a card holder and champs to play Uno. Thanks to Miss Gooden and Ethan Bray from the HS for helping Miss Foley with these projects using the 3D printer. In library this week, we are celebrating the last few weeks of school by celebrating with our STEM bins. It has been so much fun.
The new Beanstack leaderboard is posted, and the competition is heating up. Thank you to everyone who has been working so hard to get their minutes in. In third place is Miss Dragonette's class with 31,294 minutes. In second place is Miss Goldman's class with 36,334 minutes. And in first place is Miss Wida's class with 39,582 minutes. Keep reading!
In the book roundup, we are still trying to round up all the books in the library. We are currently missing 50 books. Thank you to all the classes that have turned in everything. Mrs. Yates can't wait to have all the books back where they belong.
In PE, we are finishing up invasive games. Track and field is right around the corner.
And now for some words from Mr. Perry.
Hello, Brooklyn Bulldogs, Centerton Firecrackers, and Paragon Panthers. This is Mr. Perry, your music teacher, coming from the music and art room at Paragon Elementary. I wanted to start by telling you guys how much I love spending time with you, how much I love being a music teacher, and how much I've really enjoyed creating together with you guys. I do need to let you know, though, that I will not be able to be your music teacher next year. I am needed at home with my family. I am needed elsewhere. And as much as I have loved working with you guys, my time with you is coming to an end. I will still see you the rest of this school year. We have a few weeks left, and I will see you next time we are in music class. And I want you to know that I love you guys, and I will see you soon.
In computer science and STEM, we are learning how to use the Tinkercad program. This is a program we can use to create items for the 3D printer. I hope we can get this done, some of them printed this year. But Miss Gooden says we'll be using the program to design items next year for sure. Wait, I'm not going to be here next year.
After school activities, some great helpers helped with the aquaponic tank. The water is getting a little low, so some students filled it up.
Yesterday, the Wonder Lab came in and said, let's pretend that we are in Peru and say that there was an earthquake that happened, and it was an 8.0 earthquake. We designed robots to help people survive the earthquake.
In honor of Mother's Day, here's the joke of the week. Why is a computer so smart?
I don't know. Why is a computer so smart?
It listens to its motherboard.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week.
Bye!